Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So this right here is the Fanttik Pop Up Tent. So this is my first time actually using this, and this is the Alpha C4. But this is what it looks like assembled, and it really was pretty easy to actually go ahead and assemble. How it works is that you simply just pull these out. So each of them has 4 sides. And so you pull these out until it actually flaps out. And you have here basically the tie down straps to make sure the tent doesn't move and such. Inside, if we zipper this down, you can see that the inside is comfortably gonna sleep 2 people. Now it does say that you can fit 4 to 6 people in here, but comfortably I'd say 2 to 3 people. And I like it because it's a really nice looking tent. It really did take less than 60 seconds to actually go ahead and assemble. But this is what it looks like overall. This is my first time using this sort of pop-up tent, and it was really easy to assemble. But I really liked the style of it, the design of it, and just the assembly process made it very easy to actually use this Fanttik tent. So overall, very pleased with it. I've had no problems with this tent whatsoever. So definitely check it out for yourself if you're looking for an instant pop-up tent.